we go. Pwede ba, may request tayo dito. Isang round pa daw ng mga swing mo. Ready, set. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. Alright, there you go. Palakpakan naman! Yeah, number one.
Number one?
Palakpak naman siya, sila magre-represent sa inyo.
Dragonborn. Dovahkiin and Dragon. Rare is possessing the blood and soul of a dragon, and somehow born in the body of a mortal. To ancient nerds, lores, and writings, it is rare for one to obtain, since dragon blood is a gift. They will Akatosh. Only a true dragon blood possesses allowing to learn words of power. Use dragon shouts known as Thule. Somewhere in the continent of Tamriel, one brave soul emerged from the horizon.
I have to do it. There is no one else other than me. I will be the one to sway Alduin and bring peace. Such determination, ambitious Sim. Aren't you getting a little excited there, lad? Hey, who is? What's with the imp? Over. Very childish, I see. I believe you do not recklessly point towards a dragon. You deceiver! The true Dragonborn stands before you. You are but a shadow, and I'm the only one existing in this era. Rash, loud, naive. Why not show and I'll show you his. Oh hell yeah! Who's that? Show yourself! Seems like another character has come. Oh man, I'm getting bored here. Seems like it's showtime for me. Bloodthirsty god, lovers, I'm taking the. One more word and I'll cut out your tongue. Whoa! Easy there, man. You don't want to end up being a Dragonborn's bride. You're also claiming you're a Dragonborn. One Dragonborn to affect in his timeline. Akatosh is not a fool to bestow upon you the power of the Dome. You're just covered in rusty old armors. Oh! I really love seeing tension. I favor and spill me some blood on the ground. Then let me have the honor of obtaining the crown. You nearly got me there. So, claims the title of the Dragonborn, slay the great Alduin. Ooh, that sounds fun. I'm in. I won't hold back. Brace yourselves. Yeah. This couldn't be. How could they match up to my skills? This is. I thought they're just toys easily to be played with. Left no choice. I had to use it. I think this swords. Time to get serious, yeah. Interesting. They are able to use food. Ooh, Dragonborns just like me. None of us were lying. So it is possible for 3 Dragonborns to exist. I do agree. We are blessed by Akatosh to have 3 instead of just 1. Dovahkiin's union. Greater power, stronger allies, better chance of overcoming. The 3 of us are bound for greatness, united by a goal, sharing same blood and soul in order to defeat Alduin. Now that's more like count me in. Hey, don't forget about me. Well, this is what we have been preparing for. Are you ready? More than anything, let's kick ass. Yeah!
Wala na mas malakas pa dyan!
For 2013 group category this grand finals.
Alright, dito tayo.
Dito tayo, guys.
Sige, dito. Sige.
Okay.
Sige. So what is your name? Okay.
I did. Baka may gusto mag-spokesperson for them.
Sino spokesperson?
Who would like to speak
ikaw,
on behalf
ayun!
for them? Ayun!
Ayun! Representing Group 1. Alright.
Okay.
So, ano mga pangalan nila? Isa-isa.
This is Jaren. Mr. Pogi, I think si Ayan, at saka si Hornwhip, I think si
Also, this is Ayan and... Hello,
Okay.
guys.
Makita mga gagwapo nilang
Okay, so...
take off the mask, hindi.
Take off. Say yes!
Alright, mag-ano pa sila. Mamaya, they'll take it.
Siguro. Okay.
Mindanao Cosplay Summit 2015. So guys, of course,
Okay, so we would like also to request our representative from ACLC, General Santos, and up here. Also,
yes.
Ojikime, ayun.
ACLC.
At saka ACLC, dyan sa. Ayun.
And by the way, ang i-award natin, of course, alam na natin sino nanalo sa group category, and now it's for our solo category. Alright, so again, this is the Mindanao Cosplay 1.
Okay, so wave 1. And we have our first runner-up for the solo category.
Alright,
Winner will receive an MCS shirt, wig from Ojihime online shop, cash card from SMCE Jensen worth 500, cell phone unit from Unbox Events, and tumbler at saka cell phone sa strap. Okay. Yun ang matatanggap ng ating first runner-up, and congratulations to
Lizelle Zafra!
Okay. Lizelle Zafra, come up here. Our first runner-up for the solo category. Good job.
Lizelle,
And
please
Lizelle
come up.
is si Saber ng Fate Stay 9. Ayun. Okay, so congratulations. Ayun daw, ay, ayun. Oh.
Yeah,
Ayun.
kasya yan lahat. Kasya
Kayo
yan
yan. Kayo yan lahat.
Kaya yan. Up sa camera.
So, sa gitna ka. And we...
Yes.
Oh, sige.
Thank you so much. And now, call on our the champion
Champion
for
for
the
our
solo category.
solo.
Winner's certificate, MCS shirt, wing from OG Hime online shop, 2 CLC, cash card from SM City Jensen worth 1,000 pesos, MCS novelty items from Unbox Events, tumbler, and cell phone strap.
Okay, so ang daming prizes. Congratulations to our we have John Mark Peñalosa. Come on, come on. Nice. Okay, congrats.
And my cellphone din pala siya.
Just my cell phone din pala. Ayun. And of course, the Champions Cup. Ayun. Aside from the certificate, may winner's cup pa siya. Ayan. Oh, ayun.
Ayun.
Baka may gustong
Ang dami.
tumulong. Ayun.
Ayun.
Ayun. Yan, ang purpose pala. Okay.
Alright.
So, yun na nga.
Lapit mo na. Ayun. Ayun pala yun. Tumbler daw. Ano na yung tumbler? Okay! Thank you.
So, sila ang ating mga mapapalad na winners for
For the solo category. Now again, for the group, guys, originally there were 3 groups who registered to join the competition. Why we have an
we have automatic winner for the group category. So this group will represent Jensen on the grand finals ng MCS 2013 at Davao City on October. So call them up.
Alright, but before we call them up, a winner certificate, gift items from Blink Tech, MCS shirts, cash card worth 2,000 pesos from SMCD Jensen, 50% discount short-term group tutorial from ACLC, MCS novelty items from Unbox Events, round trip fare Jensen Davao, and overnight accommodation for the MCS Grand Finals on October at SM City, Davao. Ladies and gentlemen, your General Santos representatives and the champion for today's event, Kyrie! Give them a round. Parang nag-iba.
Ayun. Okay, bye.
Kunin mo.
Ayun.
Kayo yung kailangan makita ngayon.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Good job.
So ladies, these are the solo category champion and our group champion. The group champions, Kyrie, will represent General Santos in the Mindanao Cosplay Summit Grand Finals in Davao City on October.
Yes, October.
2013. Thank you so much. Naman natin si